What if I told you this is one of Charlotte's most exciting new construction communities? A lakeside master planned community with townhomes and luxury single family homes, some with ranches and two-story, resort style amenities and miles of walking trails, with shops and restaurants just steps away. And some of these homes are priced under $400,000, while others are over $900,000. Let's go. Now we're about to go in a Wilburn floor plan. It is a 5-bedroom, 5-bath home, just over 3,400 square feet. It is beautiful. But if you're new here, we don't just review homes based on what they look like, based on vibes, the quartz countertops, or maybe how big the backyard is. We evaluate them structurally. Every property moves through 5 institutional filters: structural demand strength, entry basis integrity, exit optionality, capital structure efficiency, drawdown resistance. The goal isn't to predict appreciation, it's to separate emotion from strategy. Let's run this house through the Carolina Wealth System. Now first we look at the structural demand strength. Now the score for this home is an 8.4 out of 10 for structural demand strength. Structural demand strength means how durable is the area over time. It means if the market slows down, does this neighborhood still attract buyers? As I said earlier, this home sits in Griffith Lake in Charlotte in Mecklenburg County, and Charlotte overall is a strong market, good job base, strong income growth, and steady migration. Those are all positives. But here's what matters. This home is priced at $799,000. This home is well above the median price here in Charlotte. And when a market tightens, higher priced homes feel it first. Now, there are fewer buyers at $800,000 than there are at $500,000. So yes, strong area, but it's not immune to slowdowns because of the price. Now let's look at filter number 2. Entry basis integrity, EBI. This is about how strong your purchase price is relative to what others just paid. See, recent comps, new construction comps in this community, 5-bedroom, over 3,400 square feet, sold for $817 and $761. So that is about a $60,000 gap. And right now, this home is being offered at $799,000. You're below the top sale, but you're above the lower sale. That means you're entering near fair market value. Now, there's an important distinction. This home, if you use their preferred lender, is offering a 2-1 rate buydown. Now, that rate buydown improves your payment. It does not improve your purchase price relative to the comps. Those are two different things. So for the EBI, this gets a 7.1 out of 10. It's solid, but is it a real advantage? No. Now, moving on to filter number 3, EO, exit optionality. Exit optionality measures how flexible your resale position will be. In simple terms, who can buy this in 5 to 7 years if you had to sell it? Now, this is a large, mainstream suburban home. Actually, it feels like it's a suburban home. It's located in Charlotte proper, but it's in this like own little community. 5 bedrooms, so it has a lot of potential and appeal for move-up buyers, and that's good. But at $800,000, $799,000, your buyer pool is smaller than mid-priced homes. So is it resellable? Yes. And is it a good location? Amazing community? Yes. The community is gonna have amazing amenities, and the builder has some cachet, Toll Brothers. So resellable? Yes. Is it ultimately liquid? No, because it's twice the median priced home here in Charlotte. So the EO score with everything factored in is an 8 out of 10. And trust me, the price brought it down, but the other factors has it at a strong 8 out of 10. Now we move on to capital structure efficiency, CSE. Now this looks at how intelligently is the deal financed? How are we using our money? Are we using it wisely? See, the builder is offering the buy down. For year one, you get a rate of 3.375, year two, 4.375, and then years 3 through 30, 5.375, fixed, locked. That is an absolutely amazing deal, considering that the average rate right now is at 6%. And locking in for long term at 5.375, and you get a buffer those first 2 years. That lowers your cost of capital. But discipline matters. It's a temporary buy down, and it is helpful so long as you're not stretching just because year one feels cheap. When this is used properly, this is a strong financing position. So the CSE is an 8.5 out of 10. Now let's talk about the drawdown resistance. Drawdown resistance measures how protected you are if price softens, if the market softens. Now let's test this. If the Charlotte market pulls back 5 to 8%, this property could realistically trade around 730 to 760 range based on the current comps. And right now it's priced at 799,000 entry price. That means you're moderately exposed. You're not buying at a discount. You're not entering in below recent sales. You're entering in at market value. So the drawdown resistance score at its current price, 800,000, 799,000, is below 7. It's a 6.9 out of 10. This is the weakest pillar, the weakest filter in this deal. Now, the final Carolina Wealth System positioning score for this property at this price is a 7.8 out of 10. Now, that could improve if we get it better priced. If we get it at 780, 785, 775, that score will be much higher because the drawdown resistance will be better. Because again, we like to think about worst case scenario. If prices fall, if there's a pullback in Charlotte, you won't be as exposed if you got it below that $799,000 price point. Now, this deal, even at 775, makes sense for these people the most. People that want to hold on to this property for 7 or more years. People with strong income stability, as well as people with healthy income reserves. And they're strategic long-term buyers. It is not ideal for short-term appreciation plays if you don't have enough reserves, capital reserves in your accounts. And if this is purely an emotion-driven stretch purchase, it's unwise. This right here is a solid asset, and it will even be better if we got it for 780, 785. But it's not elite, it's not fragile, it is strategically moderate. And when you're buying a home, strategically moderate is not a bad thing, especially if your family is going to enjoy everything within this home and you're going to hold it for a long time. I'm Sir Ashley, your real estate advisor. Talk soon.